Click the Tools menu on the NinjaTrader platform. Hover over the Import menu. And click on the Ninja Script add-on menu in the side window. Navigate to the Ensign 10 EDS folder. Click on the Ninja folder, and select the EnsignAddOn file. Click the Open button. Click Yes to close this warning message. This message shows if the EnsignAddOn was previously installed. Click Yes to close this box. Click OK to close this message box. The final step is to close and rerun the NinjaTrader program. The EnsignAddOn has been successfully installed. To connect Ensign to the Ninja feed, select the Setup tab and click the Feeds button on the main ribbon. Select NinjaTrader in the list of data feeds. Check the box to use the EnsignAddOn in NinjaTrader. Check the boxes to auto-connect, and connect. The data feed will begin to flow. If you experience any problems in connecting Ensign 10 with the NinjaTrader feed, please get help from Ensign staff in the Ensign chat room. Thank you for choosing to use Ensign 10 with the NinjaTrader feed.